Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's consumer electronics within South Africa. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your rear speakers when you purchase a brand new S95TR, S75TR, S65TR and the S45TR. So without wasting further more time, let's get straight into this video. So the first option is utilizing your soundbar remote. What you want to do is click the sound effect button and go to sound mode, bass blast. That will activate the rear speakers on the soundbars S95, S75 and S65TR. For the S45TR, we're going to be showing you option 2, so make sure you stick around. So guys, the second option is actually utilizing the LG ThinQ app available on iOS and the Google Play Store. Connect your soundbar to the ThinQ app, then click the soundbar profile. What you want to do there is scroll all the way down to sound settings, sound output, and then activate surround sound setting. When you activate this will allow your rear speakers to be activated regardless of the soundbar mode. And this is applicable to all these soundbars that come with rear speakers inside your purchase. Guys, thank you so much for watching this tips and tricks video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, a like and a subscribe will be highly appreciated. And if you guys have further questions regarding this, leave them down below in the comments section and I'll try my level best to get to them. But as always guys, stay good until the next one.